Hello and welcome to this short introduction to Lightweave charts. In this video, we'll cover the basics of creating your first animated chart. Lightweave charts is currently in beta, so some features may change over time. Please check back with us every now and then to see new updates. When we first open Lightweave charts, we see the chart list, which is currently empty since we haven't made any charts yet. Let's create our first chart by tapping Create Chart, selecting this bar chart template, then tapping Use Selected Template, which will take us directly to the editing screen. The editing screen contains the chart preview and the tools we'll use to create and share our chart. At the bottom of the screen, there are 4 tabs: Data, Design, Animate, and Share. In the Data tab, we could choose the information we'd like to display in our chart. Tap Add Value to add a bar to our chart. Tap the plus sign to add a bar icon. Tap any of the text under Labels or Values to change them. Tap the color swatch to bring up the bar fill menu. Here, tap any of the icons to add a gradient, or tap on the fill color swatch to change the color. It's also possible to tap Add Image Fill to display an image. Remove any bar by tapping on the 3 vertical dots and then tapping Delete. Long press on any of the entries and drag them up and down to reorder them. In the Design tab, we can change how our chart looks in a variety of ways. For now, we'll just tap Title to change our title to something more appropriate. Then we'll tap on General and view the different aspect ratios. Feel free to pause the video here to explore the rest of the Design tab. Moving on, we can make all aspects of our chart more dynamic in the Animate tab. Intro animations control how the chart first appears on screen. In our current template, Grow Bars is selected, but we could choose any one we'd like. I'll choose Enter from Right for now, but you could choose any of them. Animations in the General tab play continuously and can affect different parts of the chart. There are 2 animations currently active: Accent Shine, which makes a flash of color appear across the bars, and Background Stripes, which create slowly moving rectangles in the background. Some animations have options to change their color and also to randomize them. We can see this in action by adding background circles, changing the color to something bright, and then randomizing it a few times. Feel free to explore these animations and add any you'd like to your chart. Emphasis animations go through each item in the chart one by one and highlight them. We can outline, fill, or outline and tint the bars. We can also expand the bar icon. Outro animations, coming soon, will control how the data disappears from the screen. By tapping the stopwatch, also coming soon, you'll be able to control the length of each of these animations, allowing you to time your chart more precisely to any voiceover you may have. Again, feel free to go back and try each of these animations to see which ones suit you the best. Now that we're finished, we can tap the play button to see our chart in action. If there's something we don't like, we could go back and make changes in any of the tabs at any time. Once we're satisfied, we could go to the Share tab and choose our export resolution, frame rate, and background type. Please note that transparent video is only available on iPhone and iPad. Tapping Share Video will then let us export the video and share it with the world. Now you have your first animated bar chart. If you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, please leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure to check the video description for information on us, Lightweave charts, and for any updates.